Welcome! In front of me I have Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And in the quick panel, you should see the brightness icon right here. Tap on it. And now you can adjust the brightness by tapping on plus and minus buttons. Adjust the brightness to your liking, and then you can press the side button to go back, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.